It looks like I took a wrong way to other side of the island. I need to go back, move towards the left, because this is actually a new road. So, go back, yes.
Just unleash your imagination and let your spirit soar. With mind as free as wind, you'll see what can explore. Say hello to eagle, just hear the words he brings. They're coming from the heart, and they are meant to sing.
My road, I think. Now I'm on my road to Mescalitas. Like open end, of course we go to the other side, suicide, ocean side, so that's the way to do it, I guess. A road closure up front, so something happened on the road and police closed the road. I don't know if it's gonna open soon. I think we're gonna abort mission for today. Come back. So maybe do it tomorrow. Okay. Kind of Mayan playground with the traditional Mayan ball playing. I don't know if it's gate is open. I don't know if it's open or do I need to buy a ticket for this? I'll just try to take a stroll for a couple of minutes. See if it's open or not. It's the kind of some park. Probably they're looking for some kind of fee for this. Not sure. Hey, puppy. Ooh, good puppy, good boy. This looks like it's actually another side. Well, this one I think is okay, but it's closed. So, let's head down back to the city.